Shri Parashakti Vidyala CBSE Class 9th Standard Subject English.
Dear students, welcome to today's session. In this session, we'll learn about mortgage like for all kind of schools and how much fun the school children had, and then I'll discuss answers to the questions. The screen was lit up and it said, today's arithmetic lesson is on the addition of proper fractions. Please insert yesterday's homework in the proper slot. Margie went to the school room to attend class. The mechanical teacher was on and was teaching addition of proper fractions. You see the picture. Margie was sitting in front of the mechanical teacher and learning. The teacher asked her to insert the previous day's homework in the proper slot. I'll read the last paragraph. Margie did so with a sigh. She was thinking about the old schools they had when her grandfather's grandfather was a little boy. All the kids from the whole neighborhood came laughing and shouting in the schoolyard, sitting together in the schoolroom, going home together at the end of the day. They learned the same things so they could help one another with the homework and talk about it. And the teachers were people. The mechanical teacher was flashing on the screen. When we add fractions 1 by 2 and 1 by 4. Margie was thinking about how the kids must have loved it in the old days. She was thinking about the fun they had. Here, sigh means to breathe heavily. Yard means land next to a building. Margie inserted her homework in the slot as per the teacher's instruction. The mechanical teacher was displaying lesson, but Margie was thinking about the old kinds of schools her great-grandfather read in. She thought that the old schools must have been fun because the students sit together in the classroom. They enjoyed, laughed, and shouted in the schoolyard. They sat together and studied the same subject and helped each other in homework. She was thinking about the fun they had. Dear students, I think you also wish to have the same fun you had once. Let us hope to have the same fun now, soon. Dear students, I'll discuss answers to the questions in lesson 1, The Fun They Had by Isaac Asimov. First, I will discuss the short answers. First one, how old are Margie and Tommy? Answer, Margie is 11 and Tommy is 13 years old. Second one, what did Margie write in her diary? Answer, Margie wrote, today Tommy found a real book. Third one, had Margie ever seen a book before? Answer, no, Margie had never seen a book before. Question number 4, what things about the book did she find strange? Answer, the book had yellow and crinkly pages. The words of the book were still. They did not move as the words moved on her computer screen. Also, when they turned to the previous page, it had the same words. All these things were quite strange for Margie. Question number 5. What do you think a telebook is? Answer, a telebook is displayed on the television screen and the text is similar to that of a book. In this kind of book, words move on the screen for the students to read. Question number 6. Where was Margie's school? Did she have any classmates? Answer, Margie's school was in her home itself, right next to her bedroom. Actually, it was a virtual classroom headed by a mechanical teacher. No, she did not have any classmates. Seventh question, what subjects did Margie and Tommy learn? Answer, Margie and Tommy learned geography, history and arithmetic. Roman letter 2, answer each of these questions in a short paragraph, about 30 words. Question number 1, what kind of teachers did Margie and Tommy have? Answer, they had mechanical teachers, that is robotic teachers. The teacher had a big black screen on which all the lessons were flashed and the questions were asked. The teacher also had a slot in which Margie and Tommy had to put their homework and test papers. They had to write their answers in punch code and the teacher calculated the marks in no time. Question number 2. Why did Margie's mother send for the county inspector? Answer. Margie's mother sent for the county inspector because the mechanical teacher was not functioning properly. It was giving test after test in geography and Margie had gone from bad to worse in every test. Question number 3. What did he do? Answer. The county inspector gave an apple to Margie and took the mechanical teacher upon slowed down the speed of the geography section because it was too quick for an average 10-year-old child, and then he assembled the teacher back again. Question number 4. Why was Margie doing badly in geography? What did the county inspector do to help her? Answer. Because the mechanical teacher was too fast in displaying the questions. Margie found it hard to adjust with its speed. The county inspector adjusted the speed of the machine according to the IQ level of a 10-year-old child. The county inspector assured that the overall performance of Margie was quite satisfactory. Question number 5. What had once happened to Tommy's teacher? Answer. Tommy's mechanical teacher once developed a technical snag for which it was taken away for a month. The history section had blanked out completely. So, Tommy had nothing to do during that period. He only relaxed and enjoyed. Question number 6. Did Margie have regular days and hours for school? If so, why? Answer. Yes. Margie had regular days and hours for school because her mother felt that learning at regular hours helped little girls learn better. Her mechanical teacher was switched on at the same time every day except Saturday and Sunday. Question number 7. How does Tommy describe the old kind of school? Answer. Tommy says that the old schools were different. They had a teacher, a man who taught the children and asked questions. All the children studied together in a special building where they played and had fun together. Question number 8. How does he describe the old kind of teachers? Answer. He said that the old kind of teachers taught students in a special building called school. All the students were given homework and asked questions by the teacher. They were not mechanical teachers of today, but real human beings who knew as much as his mechanical teacher. Dear students, write short answers and short paragraph type question answers in your classwork notebook neatly and clearly. Learn question answers as per the learning schedule and write neatly in your homework notebook. Submit your homework notebook to our principal on Friday in the first week of May. Thank you very much.